Let me show you how to do a simple 30-minute work a day and make anywhere from $100 to $500 in commissions using free traffic source. If you have 30 minutes a day, every day to do this, you can make money. No investment required. This is 100% free traffic, and I'm going to show you how to do this. If you follow the steps, you're persistent with it, and you do it on a daily basis without giving up, without becoming negative, without complaining and blaming someone, you're going to see results. How do I know this? Because I do it myself and I get results. I make money. You can make anywhere from $100 to $500 a day. Promoting someone else's product. You don't even have to create a product. You don't have to create a website. You don't have to create a blog. You could choose someone else's product. Do this every single day without a fade, and you are going to make a lot of money, a lot of sales in commissions. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. I'm going to show you how it's all done. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, if you don't know me, I have generated over $1 million in commissions from the comfort of my home. My students have gone on to make multiple 7 figures, becoming mentors and coach. If you follow my steps with a good mindset, positive mindset, without complaining, and you put your trust in me, and you follow what I teach you, your life is never going to be the same again. Okay? So if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, make sure you click the subscribe button. Alright? Smash the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know what you're waiting for. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, and leave a comment if you have any kind of questions. Alright? I'm here to help you, and I want to see you make money online. If you want to work one-on-one with me and you want to see what I promote, how I make money, and the products and system that's crushing it right now, check out the links in the description box below this video. So let's get into this video. So let me show you what you need to do, alright? You need to go to ChatGPT, alright? And you need to create your free account with ChatGPT. I'm going to type in something right down here in ChatGPT, and I'm going to tell them to split it for me. So I'm going to say, so I told ChatGPT I've wrote a text, okay, down here, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to actually, can you please spin this and make 50 versions, alright? So let's see what ChatGPT has to do, okay? So there you go. Look at this, alright? Now, if you follow this and you do this, alright, a lot of people, they watch a video and instantly, because they come from a 9-to-5 job, negative mindset, instantly they say, oh, this doesn't work. I've tried it. This is rubbish. You need to put your trust, my friend. You need to change that mindset. There are not just 1, not just 2, not just 3, plenty of opportunities that works, and it does work, and it will continue to work. You're not trying it. And if you are trying it, you don't have patience. You're expecting money to come in overnight. It doesn't work like that. It has to be done over and over and over again. Especially when you're going to use free traffic, okay? Free traffic means every day. You can't just do it once a week and expect to become millionaires. Alright? So do this, alright? So we're going to take one of these posts down here, and we're going to use a free traffic source called Facebook, okay? Now, I do this myself. Why do I do it? Because it makes me money. It's making me money. The reason I have to say this, because there are these type of rubbish, negative people, negative mindset, who looks at things every time in a negative way. That's their whole job. That's it. Anything comes up from, oh, this doesn't work. Oh, your account's going to get suspended if you do this. Oh, if you do this, this is going to happen. This is do. Hello? Others are making money. I'm making money. What's your problem? Get your mindset right. It's up to you. Either go according to these negative people who has rubbish sitting in their brains, alright? And follow them, what they have to say. Or follow a person who's proven to help you to make money because he's doing it himself. It's up to you. You can choose. You either choose a positive guy or either choose a negative guy. It's up to you how you want to go with it, okay? But my job is to help you. I'm trying my best to help you make money online. If you follow the steps, if you follow my recommendations, you're going to make money. Alright? If you don't make money, then either way you got a wrong mindset, you give up, you don't have patience, you're expecting to make millions overnight, you believe it's a quick rich scheme, something like that. Or, I don't know, alright? So follow these steps. So 2 ways to first drive traffic. Now before you drive any traffic, very, very important that you need to get your Facebook profile right, okay? If you don't get your Facebook profile right, you're not going to make money with this method. There has to be a good Facebook profile, a picture, whatever you want to put here. You could put a skyscraper picture, you could put an ocean picture, wherever it is, okay? That's the first thing you need to do, alright? Second thing you need to do is you need to go out there and start following people. People who have a similar interest. Affiliate marketing, make money online, etc., etc. Alright? This is what you need to do. And the second thing you need to do is you need to go to groups and you need to start following groups, join groups, okay? Now, don't get crazy with this, alright? I'm telling you, I'm being transparent with you in everything because I want you to make money without getting in trouble. So some people get crazy. They say, I'm going to make this happen and I'm going to do this and this and this. And guess what? They start joining groups and they join 50 groups in one go. Facebook say, okay, there's something wrong here. You're going to get in trouble. You take it easy, alright? Have patience, stay calm. Do it nicely, smoothly in a professional way. So you're going to join groups. You're going to join 5 groups a day. That's all. Until you get up to 50 groups. How many groups? 50 groups. So you're going to come here, you're going to type in affiliate marketing, and you're going to come across all these groups, okay? All these groups. So you're going to join these groups one by one. 5 groups a day, okay? And then you're going to start posting. Now, when you post to these groups, rule number 1, 5 groups a day. Don't go above that. People get crazy. They start posting on Thursday. They start posting on 20 groups. Facebook doesn't like that. Facebook believes that's a spam. You're spamming people. Alright? So you want to post 5 groups. After you have posted on 5 groups, what you want to do is you want to create a notepad. And in that notepad, you want to put your results in. How many people responded to your post? After you do this 5 a day, okay, and you have completed your post to 50 different groups, you're going to have a clean cheat sheet right on your disposal telling you which group is very responsive and which group is not. Which group makes you money, which group is not making you money. Which group is giving you the results and which group is not giving you the results. You're going to have a clean cheat sheet right at your disposal, and then that's the clean cheat sheet you're going to use to post on those groups on a regular basis. That's how you're going to get results. I can't believe it. I'm sharing the insider secret of some of my business. Okay, people pay thousands of dollars to learn this, and I'm sharing it for free with you. And guess what? There's still gonna be some negative brain washers here. This doesn't work. Oh, don't listen to him. Oh, stay away from this guy. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, my friend. Unbelievable. Now, let me show you how to create this post, okay? So I'm going to go to one of the groups down here, okay? I already have one post pending, which was created in July. Let's just delete this post, okay? And let's just go back, and you're going to click on this, and then you're going to click on here. And first, let me just go to get some text. Let me see which one I could choose from here. The easiest way to get unlimited $100 payment using free traffic. Okay, so I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go here. Comment. Link. For info. Alright. Okay, so let's just put that emoji. You want to put some emoji, alright? Put some emoji here. There you go. Alright. I'm going to post this to this group. It's the easiest way to get unlimited $100 payments using free traffic. Comment link for info. And I'm going to post this, okay? Now this will go into pending. That's how it works, alright? It goes into pending in the beginning, alright? And then slowly you start working. Now I can edit this, make it a bit more better, making it good. I'm just going to leave it like this, alright? So you get the idea. You want to do this 5 groups a day. You don't want to get crazy when you join the groups, 5 groups a day. And then when you post this 5 groups a day, you're going to create a notepad and you want to go out there and see which group is being responsive to you. Now remember, the results will depend on a couple of things. Number 1, the group. Okay? The members that's in the group. Number 2, it will depend on your text. Okay? Now this one is a very normal text, okay? So I'm not even expecting any kind of responses to this text. Okay, this is a very normal general text that I created. There has to be some kind of like secret or something that in that text gives them that kind of feeling that what is this all about? Really? I'm interested, okay? Something like that, alright? So it will depend on the group size. It will depend on the people who have joined the group. Now, if the group is coming from a place where people are joining from other type of countries instead of the tier 1 countries, you're not going to get good results, alright? This will depend on the timing as well. I have experimented according to the timing makes a big difference. Now, I just posted this right now, live in front of your eyes. I'm not expecting any results. I know this timing is not good. I'm not going to get any results. According to my experience, some groups work very good when you post on this time, but this specific group that I just shared it on, I'm not going to get any results with this because the timing is not good. Alright? This is not the right time to post. So you have to look at the timing. So it's all about testing. You test it on different groups with different timing to see when you're going to get good results. Alright? Now most of the groups will give you good results according to my country time. It's in the morning at 6 o'clock. Alright? Now, right now it's about 5 p.m. So this is not the right time. So I'm not going to get good results, but I just had to share this with you because it's a tutorial video. I want to share it with you. So that's why. So I'm not going to get good results, alright? So I'm telling you that right now due to 2 things. Number 1, this text is not going to it's not creating curiosity in the person, alright? And number 2 is the timing. The timing is not good. The best time to post according to my country time, which is UK, is in the morning, alright? And you get very, very good results. And right now it's evening time. And evening, normally you don't get good results. So it all depends on the timing. So after you posting 5 a day on 5 different groups every single day, after 50 groups, you're going to have a clear-cut version of the best groups that to post on. Once you have that, you put it in one cheat sheet. Then you go back to the Facebook groups again and you type in a different keyword, something like make money online, something like work from home, something like, and you do the same thing over and over again. Okay, so you repeat the process. Join 5 groups a day, every day until you get to 50 groups, and then post on 5 groups a day. And then you're going to have a clean cheat sheet that's going to tell you which group is responsive and which group is giving you the best result. And you're going to put that in one cheat sheet. After this, you're going to do that with several keywords. You're going to have about a lot of groups at your disposal that you know are the best groups that's going to give you the great results. At the same time, you're going to test different versions of this text with different colors. This is a black color. You could test with red color. You could test with orange color. You could test with a good background. So you're going to choose different versions, and at the end, you're going to find a clear-cut text that's going to give you the best results. So you know that these 5-6 ones are not giving me good result, but this one is giving me very good result. This one text. You're going to have that, and you're going to put that in your clean cheat sheet. And then you're going to continue to use that over and over and over again. We're making slight changes to it. And that's how you're going to start generating free traffic and start making sales. So what's going to happen? Let me tell you. Once people see this, they're going to start responding. I'm interested. You're going to write link in the message. And when they write a message in the link, you're going to respond to all those people via message and send them the offer that you have to promote. That's going to give them these $100 payments with free traffic. That's what you're going to do. Are you going to make money? If you have a good offer, potentially you should. Because I've made money. If I can make money, why you can't? Okay? So I have just shared 1% of the insider secret of my business. People are charging thousands of dollars for this. And I'm sharing it for free. Are you still negative? Are you still complaining like those people with those rubbish mindset? If you really want to learn more about my business, you want to see what I promote, how I promote, you want a complete done-for-you digital business in a box, check out the links in the description box below this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you inside.